Hey guys, welcome back, or if you're new, hi, welcome. My name is Drew. In today's video, I'm cleaning my bedroom, doing a little decorating, decluttering, and donating a few of my items. So if you like that type of content, please don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on your notification button so you never miss a video. Okay guys, so let me know in the comments below, what's your favorite room to clean? Or to decorate, to declutter a room. Let me know in the comments below, because for me, I don't know if it's the same for you all, but for me, cleaning is very therapeutic. It helps me clear my mind, cope with everyday life stress throws at me. So without further ado, let's get to cleaning. Yes, guys, I'm ironing my sheets. Just being a little bougie here. There's nothing wrong with that. Just kidding. The reason why I'm ironing them because I left them in the dryer and they were super wrinkly. So, yeah. Are you the one that makes all the mess after mommy cleans? Huh, Levi? Who bit that right there? No, no.